Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Pay app. In the beginning enter Google Pay. Tap Get Started. And now you want to reset the app. I've done it because the interface of the app has changed to more modern. Now, as you can see, this is the homepage of Google Pay, and from here you can add payment method and add different types of cards. Then, if you tap here, you get access to all your payment methods, full list of participating banks, your full activity, settings, where you can enable or disable email updates, Gmail imports, personalization within Google Pay, purchase notifications, updates about your passes, offers and tips, and we can edit account info. Then we've got contactless setup, where we can check if NFC is on, if Google Pay is set as our default account, application, where you can check if your phone has set a screen lock, and if your phone meets security requirements. Then we've got help and support, send feedback, and the last thing is access to your Google account. And that's all for managing your Google account. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.